Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is sponsored by SM Beauty. If you want to get the best slick ponytail on any natural hair type, keep watching. Hey guys, it's Christian. Welcome back to my channel. So if you're here to learn about the best method to get your natural hair into a ponytail, you are in the right place. I do want to give credit to Jayla and also Easy because I watched their videos around the same time and I don't remember which one I watched first, but my method is a mixture of both of their methods. So for this particular method, in my experience, it is best to start off with your hair in its stretched state. So I'm starting off with a fresh twist out, and I liked starting off with a twist out because my hair is stretched but my ends are defined, so it's like the best of both worlds. So I'm going in with the CBD and 24 karat gold EdgeGro in the lemon scent, and I put this directly on my roots, and then I brushed it through with a Demon brush and then a boar bristle brush. So I'm just going to continue applying the EdgeGro all over my hair, and I'll get back with you guys in a second. So I know you guys are super excited to hear my final thoughts on these touchdown products, but I did want to let you guys know that these products are available in your local beauty supply store, so you can try them out for yourselves and let me know what you think. Ryan Little. the finished look. This is how it looks. I'm really satisfied with how the Touchdown products performed on my hair. Touchdown was nice enough to send me 4 of their edge controls. They have the cherry mango scent, the coconut scent, the peach scent, and the lemon scent. And the lemon scent is the one that I use today. And towards the end, I put the triple strength super power Miracle Grow oil. So let's get into the ingredients in this oil. So I was really happy when I was reading the back of this oil and I saw that the first ingredient was castor oil. I don't know about you guys, but in my experience, I have noticed that when I go to shop at a beauty supply store and I'm looking for oil blends, the first ingredient in those blends is normally mineral oil. And so I was super happy to see that castor oil, coconut oil, peppermint oil, and a lot of oils like that were found in this oil. Let's talk about the ingredients in the edge control. So in the EdgeGro, I did see in the ingredients that lemon fruit extract is an actual ingredient. Like, they didn't just use the fragrance, there is actual citrus inside. And I was also very happy to see that hydrogenated castor oil was one of the first ingredients. This oil has a very unique packaging. So the top twists, when you want oil to be released from it, you twist it and then the perfect amount comes out. So I really like this top, and I've never seen a product with packaging like this. I think it's very helpful if you're trying to apply your oils directly to the scalp so that you don't use too much and you have a lot of control over the amount that you're putting on your hair. Okay, so how do the products work for me personally? So you guys know I've done a couple of slick ponytail tutorials on my channel. This is the first tutorial where I'm only using one product. In my last couple of videos, I would use a gel, I would use an oil, and then I would use an edge control. Very satisfied with how shiny my hair is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.